What's up, also fam? So I'm at work, obviously. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what I do. It's gonna be fun. Basically, what I do. Let me make sure this thing is recording. So technically, what I do is I install garage doors. Let's see if we can set these up. Listen to some music. AirPods. Beautiful. Process is crazy. It's a little door. It's a lot of work though. I got the tracks up, springs up, you know. Getting there. Kind of parched, about to drink some water because I'm about to die. This process usually takes about, what, maybe like 3-4 hours alone. Usually it's better if you work with somebody else. But yeah. It's hot out here in Miami, man. Woo! Yeah, this water's good. All right, let's give me a little break. It's time to go back. Beautiful. Hey guys, by the way, if you like this video, leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Just finished the door. Here it is. Looks good. About to clean up and get out of here. What the hell? Yeah, also fam, this is what I do. Don't forget to subscribe. Also fam, I'm dead. Dead right now. I just finished this door. Gotta probably head to a couple new door jobs. This is basically what I do on a regular day. I know I haven't been recording much videos. The reason for that, honestly, is I went through a little bit of a job change. Everything's working out great right now. We're happy. Nothing's going on. Everybody's healthy. Everything's good, you know. We're happy. Everything's awesome. But yeah, guys, this is basically what I do. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and a comment below. We're gonna get back on these videos. Love you guys. This is where I'm gonna end it. Peace.